In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind any object the easy way. Okay, so here we have our footage and we want to put our text behind the Eiffel Tower here. So what we're going to do is grab a text layer and put in our text. We'll just name this Paris. Make it nice and big so you can still read it behind the Eiffel Tower. So we've got our text that we want to put behind the Eiffel Tower. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate our footage to the top video layer. We're going to create a new Fusion clip and then open in the Fusion page. Move our clip to the start and we're going to hit Shift Spacebar and search for the Magic Mask tool. This is a tool we're going to use to mask out the Eiffel Tower. And there you can see it's in our node line. So all we got to do now is just draw around the Eiffel Tower here. And I think we're going to want to get the buildings in the foreground as well in our mask. So I'm going to select all of that to be in front of our text layer. Now, as you can see, I've accidentally selected some of the sky. So if you want to subtract anything from your selection, all you need to do is come over and hit the subtract button here and just draw out the bits you want to take away from your mask. Now you can see our mask is quite harsh and we want to soften this up a bit. So we're just going to come across to the matte toggle and change our blur to about 2. That'll soften it up just a little bit for us. I've forgotten to do the middle of the Eiffel Tower, so I'll just do that. It pays to be accurate. There we go. So now we're going to track our footage forward. And it's looking pretty good. So now if we go back to the Edit tab, we can see our text is now behind the Eiffel Tower. And that's how you put text behind an object. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more.